How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, DJI's OSMO Action camera was a great entry into the action camera market. And the OSMO Action camera came cram-packed with some of the best features that we could have expected for this entry-level action camera. But this camera is now 2 years old and it's time for a refresh. And so enter the OSMO Action 2. I'm actually quite surprised. This is a bold move by DJI. We all expected that DJI would release this camera after GoPro released their Hero 10, not before. And giving a quick glance at these specs, I can see why DJI is quite confident about this release. New sensors, new processors, GPS, that's all quite impressive. And 6K image quality at likely 30 frames per second is enough to make any competitor shake in their boots. But what else do we see here? 180 degrees field of view? This might allow you to pan within the image to move the focus point. And rock-steady version 2 image stabilization? With a 6K camera, cropping in for stabilization would be a breeze. And I noticed this symbol right here at the bottom, FPV. Are you going to be able to use this camera in FPV mode? Perhaps as a dual-use camera? Everyone thinks of GoPro as the king of action cameras. And with the GoPro Hero 10 scheduled to be announced in late September, this new OSMO Action 2 camera could really rock the foundations of GoPro if they didn't bring their A game for updating the specs of the GoPro Hero 10, seen here in the rumored dual lens configuration. I, for one, am pretty excited for these two powerhouses to square off. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's lots to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.